The VA hospital was built in 1931 and is a historic landmark in the Finger Lakes area. SES is working at the VA providing abatement and demolition services to facilitate renovations that will modernize the medical center and provide state-of-the-art care for current and future veterans. Some of the challenges we run into on our projects are uncovering or discovering unknown hazardous materials. While removing finishes, these older buildings can reveal structural damage, which can limit the types of equipment we can utilize and can make work more labor intensive. Demolition debris generated is typically separated by a combination of equipment and manpower and loaded off to the appropriate waste container. Certain materials have value that's figured into the bidding process. These materials are taken to recycling facilities and are paid their scrap value. There is also a historical aspect of the VA. Many of the exterior building components are to remain or to be salvaged for reinstallation. SES field employees are the critical component of our success. And without their drive, dedication, and determination, the work would not be done on time, under budget, and safely. This is why clients choose and return to Sessler Environmental Services when it comes to performing their projects.